Dadak again. Tonight I'm gonna be making Filipino adobo, chicken adobo. First, heat your pot. I have Instant Pot. Put some extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, about 2 tablespoons. And then the chicken, I marinated the chicken for about an hour, put it in the fridge, put some saran wrap on it. I put lemon. This is lemon, 1 lemon. This is, I don't know how many pounds is this, I forgot. I think it's a pound, 1.2 pounds. And I put generous amount of garlic, a pound of garlic, black pepper, and a teaspoon of brown sugar, just because it's good. And we will put bay leaf later on. This is bay leaf, and this is my sesame seed. The pot is hot. It goes. Give it a mix. Cover it for about a minute. Let me put this away. Hello, viewers. Apron. Who wants to give me apron? I only have 2 aprons. I want 1 apron for my birthday, for my Christmas gift. Please. I have apron. It looks cute. It smells good in the house. Smells adobo. Can you see? It doesn't take long because I cut the chicken thigh into small cubes, smaller cubes. That much. Okay. This is very easy for those who want to do a meal prep. You can do this like one day you do vegetarian, the next day you do chicken adobo, the next day you do something else. You want to do japchae again the next day, things like that. So you have variation with your meal preparation. That's just my suggestion. Bay leaf in. You pair the adobo, Filipino adobo, with Jasmine Rice. jasmine rice. It will be good. The Instapot cooks really quick because it's called instant pot. As you can see, if my cameraman is closer, see there? 1 more minute and it will be cooked, maybe 2 more minutes. Because this is really hot. Very, very quick. Put it in on top of the rice. It's gonna be really, really good. Let me get some rice so I can show you. It's organic extra virgin oil. Let me get a ladle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is cooked. All done. Turn it off. Don't forget to clean your spot, your table, to disinfect your table, your equipment and everything you use with thieves. Ultra concentrate household cleaner from Young Living. Don't forget to visit my website. I'll put it in the link below. Okay? If you are new to my channel and YouTube, Nurse Dadak, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share so other people will know. And hit the bell button in the YouTube, because then you will be notified when I have a new video. Good night.